We're so innovative. We made a skateboard out of wood. Du hast. All right, guys, we are here at
Michael's
with
Chloe.
We're here at Michael's with Chloe. Some say Michael's is the greatest store in the world. What do you think?
I say Michael's is the greatest store in the world.
Personally, I thought it was Target, but you know, to each their own. So we're just gonna head into Michael's and we're gonna see if there's anything we can make into a skateboard. Grip tape, wheels, concave, rail, ramp. For sure they have a lot of Halloween stuff here. Happy Halloween, guys. It's coming up, it's the month of October. But yeah, we're gonna see what we can find.
A board?
You can make a skateboard out of that? Too flimsy, trust me, I've tried.
It's already Christmas.
Where has the year gone? This has been the craziest year of my whole existence. Broken foot, and now we're already at Halloween and Christmas.
I love Christmas. Look how
I know,
cute
I love Christmas
that
too.
is.
The eggnog bar, oh my gosh! Boo! This is kind of Chloe's first DIY skateboard adventure.
That
Could you
looks like
make
a wheel?
It does look like a wheel. However, there are candles. Or maybe like this though, right? This is more like skateboard wheel size.
That could go across the entire skateboard.
A roller? That is a great idea. How do we attach it to the board? This is the kind of thing that I get and then I can't figure it out and it doesn't work and then I'm like, I am stupid. We need something we can actually pull off.
Okay.
What is this?
That could absolutely be grip tape.
Table runner. What's a table runner?
Like during the holidays, you put out like a little runner on the table.
No, I don't, but thank you. Honestly, I think this is a great idea. How much
Yeah.
is that? It's gotta be $25. This is the most expensive grip tape.
But who has done this as a table runner? I guess if you decorate it up, I get it now.
You're like, well, for Christmas this year, we have grass on the table. Who?
Okay.
Yeah, you're right. Who does that? Leave it in the comments below if you put grass on your table.
Okay, so we would need to get glue, like a glue gun or something like this.
Or we screw it in there? No, probably glue gun, you're right. But we should have a cool Halloween party where we all dress up.
Absolutely.
Witch's brew. Our culture is a very interesting place. It just goes straight from like death to Christmas. Anyways, what does it all mean? Ooh, giant spider? Maybe I could get this and scare my wife.
So
It is, right? She would be so mad at me. Shout out to Michael's for sponsoring this video. I'm just kidding. Completely kidding. Michael's did not sponsor this video, but they should have, shouldn't they have? Interesting. I'm not sure what we can do with this, but something for sure, right?
Yes.
I'm filming with Gabe tomorrow. Should we make a Gabe skateboard? Oh, wow. So you actually carve this? Is that what you do? Please leave it in the comments below if you know how to work these things at all. But come on, we just put the head on the skateboard. And then I put it in a box and then yet tomorrow Gabe opens it.
Oh my gosh, and it looks like his face.
Gabe,
I
the
would
Gabe Cruz
absolutely.
skateboard. You know, we came in here just like thinking, maybe there's one thing we could do. And we left Michael's with 300 ideas. Jumbo knitting needles? I thought this was for a vampire steak. Okay, well I think for right now we just get that and we're good. We make this board. We got this grass grip tape. I was thinking, you know what? I think we just put that on a board. And Chloe was like, isn't the point of this that we make the whole board here? So I think that is completely impossible, but I'm just gonna let her go. Do your thing, girl. You gonna make a board out of that?
Absolutely. Also, it's 50% off.
They're practically giving it away.
I know.
You step on this once and it's
You
completely.
think so?
I do, but you know, I don't know everything. Yes.
You think if you step on that once, it's a goner?
I know so. Unfortunately, after making 5,500 videos, I know that stepping on that once, it's a goner.
Aaron, I told you.
So you're saying, okay, so this is the board,
Yeah.
and you put trucks on there,
Yeah.
and you're trying to find wheels too, and then you put that as grip tape.
Yes.
DIY Michael's skateboard.
I mean, and it fits perfectly. It's meant to be.
Okay, you're right. I'm a total beep. Wow. What are we even thinking? This is even better.
That is it. That's it. Also, it goes with the woodsy theme of our board.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. You've done it again. Okay, honestly, that is pretty cool.
I know, and literally woodsy. It's a theme.
It's true. And that's a wheel? You're like Fred Flintstone.
The wheel.
This could legit be a skateboard though right here. And for $9.99? What a deal.
If there was a little bit of a smaller one and 4 of these, this could be it. Right?
Yes, absolutely.
What?
You found the wheel?
Maybe not.
Something tells me that ain't gonna roll or work at all. Nailed it.
Oh my gosh.
little trees in there?
You know what we should do, actually? But we make it like a little forest, like a little fairy forest, you know?
I do know. Now I'm really catching on.
Yeah.
How do you put it on there?
And look, we
Hot
could do a
glue
little
gun.
fairy. We could do a little, yeah. I mean, I guess we couldn't really skate it, but it would look really cute.
Well, then you skate it. That's the whole deal. We
I
could
mean-
even put a little animal scene in there.
No, this is more like a fairy theme.
Whoa, okay. You'd either get this and that and put trucks on, call it a day, and hope it works. Or we go all out.
Or we make a little fairy forest. But then I wouldn't want to ruin it, though.
No, we're ruining it. You don't make this and not skate it.
So then we just do this. And
Okay,
then
so
later
you make
on-
it, we skate it.
Yes. But later on, we are going to do a fairy forest.
Okay, good, I'm down. Follow our crafts channel.
I would love a craft.
Me too. Me too, honestly. So,
So excited.
that was $81 skateboard. This is a very expensive skateboard.
But it's going to be so cute.
Yeah, and I guess we got the glue gun, which we'll use for more than just this one skateboard.
Exactly.
So there you go. We're basically bargain baiting it. Okay, let's go put this thing together and get shredding.
Okay.
So what are you gonna do?
I'm going to open this first.
That's the step one. Okay, so we got all this stuff. We got the grass, we got the board, we got this, and we even found a drill. So we're able to drill this together. We have some trucks and wheels. Drill time.
That was so dangerous.
But we got it, right?
I don't think so.
That
What
helped.
did that do?
Did nothing.
How did that help me here?
Okay, place this where you think is best.
Right there.
Okay, should we do 4 bolts or 2?
4.
Okay, really? Oh, wait, but are we going, this is the top? I think we want this on the top, so this is the bottom, right? I don't think this is the right drill bit.
Ooh, Aaron.
I know, almost got my leg.
Aaron.
What? My leg's not under there. Ow!
You.
It's Halloween. Okay, here's my question to you in the DIY kingdom. Should we put the trucks on and then put the grip tape over the trucks so you don't see any bolts? Or should we put the grip tape down and then put the bolts on top?
Grip tape down and then bolts on top.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay, so then the next thing we should do is actually cut this into shape. I feel like you should do this part. Right? What do you mean no? Draw this across, right?
Draw it across. Is that what you said?
Yeah,
Across.
across.
Not across.
It doesn't have a T?
No.
Leave in the comments below if a cross has a T. I know my wife always says that to me too. What does you know? Guess who knows how to cut grass?
But why is that cutting noise satisfying?
I don't know, you like that?
Yeah.
Should we do an ASMR channel? You like that?
Yeah.
It sounds like you're ripping the hair out of your, I don't know what. Okay.
There we go.
Look at that. Isn't that so good?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you actually want 4 bolts?
I was just thinking for the sturdiness of it, but you know what you're doing more than I do.
Yeah, know what I'm not doing. Not doing it right. Leave it in the comments below if I always use 2 bolts and it always messes up. Okay, well I guess just for your sake, for science sake, I'll do 4.
But watch your legs.
Yeah. You know what you're doing. You know what I just realized?
What?
Now we're gonna have to somehow figure out where those holes were.
Oh, maybe we do bolts underneath then.
No, I know what we do, I think now we go this way. Okay, I have an idea. We glue gun it all in, and it's all in there, then we...
Ah, there we go. But you don't think we could make glue gun wheels?
No.
Why not?
How?
I don't know.
Out of this?
Yes.
No, you can't just mold wheels out of random glue gun.
Why not?
How do you?
I don't know yet.
We are really...
What? No.
Yes.
We got the wrong size?
I didn't think about there being sizes. This is full size.
Thousands of tears later.
So we just had to go back to Michael's because we got the wrong size of glue stick. So make sure when you're setting up this board for yourself, because I know you guys are gonna want this after we make it. You're like, wow, this is the coolest thing I've ever seen. And why did I think for some reason this would go faster? Maybe we should have bought the industrial size glue gun. But look at that. So this gonna work? Just put it down? Just like that.
But you gotta let it dry.
It's drying too fast.
See, it dries so fast, that's why I think we could make wheels out of it.
Like actual real craftsmen are so embarrassed by me right now. Like, these guys can't skate, they can't glue gun, they can't do anything right. Isn't glue gun a weird thing? Like, who invented the glue gun?
I told you we would need a lot of glue gun.
Yeah, you're right. Should have brought the industrial size one.
What do we call it though?
The piece of wood skateboard. It's kind of funny that we're like, we're so innovative. We made a skateboard out of wood. Aaron, aren't all skateboards made out of wood? We're like, shut up. It's beside the point. Grassy log skateboard. Leave it in the comments below. What should we call this? I mean, what is it? Grass grip tape on log board, right? Or should we give it like some kind of name? The Fred.
I wish I had Lance's pun game.
I'm sure you do.
No, I
Brie?
don't.
Brie?
Is there a Brie in the audience?
I love your cheese. The best thing about that joke is it's the cheesiest joke. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Lance used to always say, like, we do stand-up comedy. I'm gonna do stand-up comedy. And this is my joke. He had a whole routine that he came up with.
And I was the only one who laughed at it.
Any Brie, because you laugh at anything.
You gotta push down really hard though.
Okay. Okay, ready for the test? Wow. How bummed would you be if it just fell? Honestly, this is pretty sick looking.
Right?
Yeah, if we only had those trees and the little men and the little, like, things, it would be the cutest little spirit forest. Where is it?
Aaron.
Oh no, wait. I know what to do.
Oh, you're barking up the right tree here.
Now that I'm a glue gun expert, I can glue gun anything. That ain't no joke. Glue gun for the W. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this is turning out very good. Look at that. I mean, we made some stupid things in my day, but this is like next level actually good. Like, look at that. Look at how good it looks. The bark on the side and the grass on the top. I'm going 10 out of 10, best thing I've ever made. Come on, tell me that isn't the sickest looking board you've ever seen.
It really is. In fact, I feel like we should make these.
Yeah. Doesn't that look just cool?
Oh, it looks so cool. The camera doesn't even do it justice.
Doesn't?
No.
Dang it, camera, do it justice.
You said that we would not be able to find a board at Michael's.
I never said that. Strike it from the video. I said, of course we'll find a board at Michael's. You are not allowed out here, young man.
Blue.
Blue.
Blue, come here. Go inside.
One person rides by in a bike and he's a goner. Sit. What a good boy! Come on, give me a hug. Give me a hug.
No.
Oh yeah, he gives a big hug.
Aww.
I know it's hot. Too hot. Du hast. Okay. Okay, close. We're close. Okay, yeah, I think we're golden. Okay, look at that.
Oh.
Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty proud of myself.
And who else are you proud of?
Just me. And you too, Chloe. I'm mostly proud of you. You did such a great job with this.
Thank you.
So now you want it like that?
Yeah, I found these things in your house and I thought, this is ridiculously cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. How cute is that? Okay, let me just see something.
Yeah, that is so sick. I think it's rad.
Rad, I think it's so cute.
So badass. Looks incredible. You like zoom in and then you're like, oh, it's just a cute little thing. Nope, it's a skateboard. What? Skate or die. We just found this in my garage and then my wife saw it. She got hella mad because she's like, that's my stuff for Christmas. But look at that. Look at how fire that is.
That's funny.
DIY Christmas shop. Look at that. This is the most epic skateboard we have ever seen. How does it roll? Okay, so the skateboard's been made. We got it. It's looking beautiful. My wife is like, Aaron, stop using my Christmas decorations. So I have to take those off now, but I'm gonna skate it without the Christmas decorations, see if we can do some tricks. Let's go. Check out the new board.
What is this?
It's a board, bro.
This is grass.
That is grass. And on the bottom, it's like an actual piece of wood.
Saying skaters don't touch grass or something?
This is the new thing. This is the new. Skate or die. You gotta do some tricks though. Shove it. Oh, dang. Pieces are falling off.
I don't know how you can do anything on that.
What? Yeah, you can do everything on that.
There's no grip.
You don't need grip. You got grass. So what do you think I got on it? A shove? Okay, let's do it. Let's do the shove. You always gotta test like which side has the most grab. Shove, first try. Whoa, let's go! What do you give me for a kickflip first try? Woo! Yeah! Got him! What do you got? You gotta shove it, bro. Yeah, front shove. Yeah, front shove's probably hard. You got that on your normal board? Front shove?
Kind of.
Yeah? Okay, I can teach you that. You got it. You just put your back foot on.
It's so loose.
Oh, the trucks are too loose? Yeah. You got it. Oh! Watch out, it can be deadly. Oh, there it is. All right, this was super fun to make. I hope you guys are getting out there, getting creative, and get on your skateboard and learn how to skate. So hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We'll see you in the next video.